Alright guys, I'm gonna replace. I've already done it pretty much, but I'm gonna show y'all how I replaced the alternator on my 2008 Silverado. Pretty simple actually. Already got the new one in, but simply all you do, you disconnect the negative cable first of all. Alright, I disconnected both, positive and negative. Come over here to your alternator, unplug this clip here. Okay, then you got your wire running to the positive cable of your battery. You'll just a 10 millimeter. You undo that, take that off, and you'll come over here, get your 15 millimeter for your tensioner pulley, so you can let the pressure off that belt. Pretty much 15 millimeter tensioner pulley. You'll release the pulley so you can get the belt unloose, take the belt off, and then you'll undo these two bolts right here, 15 millimeter. That's it. You pop the alternator right off, put the new one in, put your bolts back in, your clip back in, your positive cable here, 10 millimeter there. That's all you do. 10 millimeter and a 15 millimeter is all you need for everything. And that's all you'll need pretty much. It's simple. I don't know if I can do this with the phone in my hands. I was gonna put the belt back on and let y'all see if y'all can see it. See if y'all can see that in there. Probably can't see shit, but all you do, put your tensioner pulley down, grab the belt, pretty much it. I gotta be careful. Oh shit.